Now we will start with median and mode. That is the next two averages. Write down. First heading you write median for continuous series. Median for continuous series. Okay. I will write down the formula, then I will explain. Okay. Median is always denoted by first two letters, that is ME. ME is equal to, that is median is equal to, write the formula as this. L plus into bracket capital N divided by 2. Always use capital N, don't use small n. Capital N divided by 2 minus CF divided by F bracket complete into okay. Now I will explain. All of you know it is N. N is nothing but total of frequency. Here L is equal to, right? L is equal to lower limit of median class. Lower limit of which class? Median class. Okay. Next term is CF. Here we use small letters, because for correction factor we have used capital letters. Here we use small letters. CF is nothing but, this CF is nothing but cumulative frequency. Preceding to median class. Now what do you mean by preceding? Preceding means previous value. Preceding means always previous value, and succeeding means next value. F means frequency of median class. And C means difference in median class. These are the notations we have to use by calculating median. Okay. Here L means lower limit of median class, CF is cumulative frequency preceding to median class, F means frequency of median class, C means difference in median class. You have to consider the difference in which class? Median class only. You should not consider the other class. Okay. Now here important thing is, in all these four notations, median class is very common. See, everywhere I have written median class. So how to calculate median class is most important. To calculate median class, we have to make use of this part, that is n upon 2. We have to make use of n upon 2. By using this n upon 2, you can easily find out median class, and rest all the values will come to know very easily. Okay. I will take one example and then we will solve. Shall I do mode formula also, or we will go separately? No problem, we will finish median, then we will go for mode. Okay. From the following data, find the value of median. make two columns, wages and workers. Wages and workers. Wages column 20 to 40, workers 12, 40 to 60, workers 18, 60 to 80, 22, 80 to 100, 38, 100 to 120, 40, 120 to 140, 25, 140 to 160, 15, 160 to 180, 10, and 180 to 200, frequency 5. That is number of workers 5. Okay, this is the information given to you. Now see whether it is exclusive method or inclusive method. This is the first step. You have to check whether it is exclusive or inclusive. Upper limit is once again repeated as lower limit, means it is exclusive method. No need to again convert it into exclusive because already classes are in exclusive method. So directly you can write the formula over here. Write heading as median. Median is equal to N plus into bracket capital N upon 2 minus CF. This is divided by F, bracket complete into. First of all, write down the formula because completely solution is based on formula. Okay. Written? Okay, we'll start. Now to calculate median. To calculate median, only one column is required. Only one column is required, that is known as CF1. That is known as CF1. Now here CF is nothing but cumulative frequency curve. CF is nothing but cumulative frequency curve. How to prepare this cumulative frequency? Procedure is very simple. Always keep first frequency as it is. Always keep first frequency as it is. Then we want cumulative. Cumulative means we have to add the numbers, right? So 12 plus 18. Next CF value is 30. 30 plus 22, 52. 52 plus 38, 90. 90 plus 40, 130. 130 plus 25, 155. 155 plus 15, 170. 170 plus 10, 180. And 180 plus 5, 180. Correct? I think this CF column you have studied in case of group series also. Same procedure. So your N value must be 185. That is last value of your CF. And this is the only column required to calculate median. This is the only one column required to calculate median. Okay? Now we will start. Now to calculate median. To calculate median, your first step should be N upon 2. First find out N upon 2 because we know N value here. So calculate N upon 2. Here N value is 185 divided by 2. It comes to 92.5 value. Right, like this. N upon 2 is 185 divided by 2. So it comes to 92.5 value. Right? Now the procedure is important. Once you know this N upon 2 value, this value, whatever may be the calculated value, you have to check this value in CF column. You have to check this value in which column? CF column. You may get exact value or may not get exact value, no problem. Here value is 92.5. Exact 92.5 is not there, right? Then check out 92.5 comes under which value? It comes under 130, right? Mark it like this. This is your median. This is your median. Correct? So below this you write. Therefore median class is 100 to 120. 100 to 120. This is important, median class, because based on median class only we will get the other notations. Right? Now we will start one by one. What do you mean by L? L is nothing but lower limit of which class? Median class. Lower limit of median class. You know the median class, that is 100 to 120. What is the lower limit of this class? 100. So your L value is 100 plus n upon 2. Just now you have calculated n upon 2, that is 92.5. 92.5 minus CF. What do you mean by CF? It is cumulative frequency preceding to median class. Preceding means always we have to take previous value to median class. No doubt it is a cumulative frequency, but we have to take preceding value to median class. Here median class CF value is 130, but we don't want 130, we want preceding value. Preceding value is 90. This is divided by F. F is nothing but frequency of median class. Frequency of median class. Your median class is 100 to 120. What is the frequency of this? 40. Multiply by C means difference in median class. Don't see the difference in other classes. You have to check the median class. You know median class is 100 to 120. What is the difference in this? Difference is 20. Now you can solve this. 100 plus into bracket 92.5 minus 90 is 2.5. I'll take this into 20 inside. This is divided by 40. Okay, 21s are 22s are 40, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1.25. So answer is 100 plus 1.25. Therefore, your median value is 101.20. Median value is 101.25. I'll explain once again. Right. First of all, we have to start with n upon 2. Always we have to start with n upon 2. You will get one value. See this value in CF column. Now 92.5 comes under 130, right? So mark like this. Mark it, no problem. Nobody will cut your marks. Mark like this. Right here as median. So by using this, we will come to know your median class is 100 to 120. That you have to write here. Therefore, median class is 100 to 120. Then go for first notation. L means lower limit of median class. Median class you know, lower limit is 100, right? 100 plus n upon 2, you have calculated 92.5. This is important. CF is cumulative frequency, but you have to take preceding value to this. Preceding value, that is previous. 90. And F means frequency of this median class, that is 40. And C is nothing but difference in median class. So 100 to 120 difference is 20, that you have to consider. Clear? I'll take one more problem. We will solve one more problem. Right now, calculate the value of median. Calculate the value of median. Same two columns, classes and frequencies. Write first column as classes, second column as frequencies. Classes column 50 to 60, frequency 20, 60 to 70, 21, 70 to 80, 50, 80 to 90, 40, 90 to 100, 53, and 100 to 110, 16 ones. Suppose this much information is given. Okay. Check whether it is exclusive or inclusive method. It is exclusive method, right? So when there is exclusive method, no question of conversion of inclusive to exclusive. Directly we can start with which column? CF column. Because this is the only column required to calculate median. This is the only column required to calculate median, right? Now how to prepare CF? First frequency keep as it is, that is 20. Then go on adding 20 plus 21, 41. 41 plus 50, 91. 91 plus 40, 131. 131 plus 53, 184. And 184 plus 16, 200. Means your n value must be 200. The total of frequency must be 200. Okay. This is the only column required to find out the median. Now apply the formula. The formula of median is equal to L plus into bracket n upon 2 minus CF divided by F into bracket complete into, write this formula first. Median is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF divided by F into, okay. Now to calculate median, first of all we have to start with n upon 2. We have to start with n upon 2. You know the n value, that is 200 divided by 2, it comes to 100 value. 100 value. Correct? Now the steps are written. You have to see this 100 in which column? CF column. See this 100 in CF column. You may get exact or you may not get exact value. 100 exact value is not there. So 100 comes under which value? 131. Correct? So mark it. Right here as median. And below this you write, therefore median class is, what is the median class now? 80 to 90. Median class is 80 to 90. Once you know median class, remaining terms are very simple. You can easily find out. Now what do you mean by L? L is nothing but lower limit of median class. You know median class 80 to 90, which is the lower limit? 80 is the lower limit. So 80 plus into bracket n upon 2 you have calculated, that is 100, minus CF. CF is nothing but cumulative frequency preceding to median class, preceding value, that is 91, divided by F means frequency of median class. Frequency of median class is 40. This is multiplied by C is difference in median class. What is the difference in median class? Difference is 10. Correct? Solve this. 80 plus into bracket 100 minus 91 is 9 into 10 divided by 4. I'll take this 10 inside and 0 0 get cancelled. 4 2 is 8. Here 1. 4 2 is 8. 4 5 is 20. So 80 plus 2.25. Therefore median value is 82.2. Median value is 82.2. Up to this is clear? Follow now? Okay. So next class we will see how to convert inclusive to exclusive in case of median. In case of median. Okay. Combined problems I will give you later. Okay. We will go step by step. Mean is over. Now median will finish. Then we will go for mode. Then we will take combined program, all three in one problem.